WAEC has finally released the BECE results, and this is how you can check it on your phone.
So you're welcome to the phone session. Open your dialer and dial this code. Select option 2, that is BECE card. Click on yes, option 1. This is the pop-up menu asking you to enter your Momo PIN. So when you make the full payment, you're going to receive an SMS message, and the link to checking your BECE results will be under the message. So from there, you can either click on the link below the message, or you just have to open your browser, enter this site, eresults.waecgh.org. Click on enter or go. And this is the interface that you're going to have. They will be requesting for your index number, so you just have to confirm your index number, and then you select the exams type, that is the BECE school, and then you come to the exams year 2025. You click on it, and then you enter the serial number and then the PIN. That is what you bought with the short code, and then you click on I'm not robot, and then you submit. You're going to have your results pop up.
So this is how you can check your BECE results on your smartphone. Thanks for joining us. If anything bothers you, leave your comment under the comment section and we will gladly reply you.